Hello, today's clutter subject is cooking. Are you a cluttered cook? Do you make a gigantic mess every time you cook? Then I'd like you to plan your meal more carefully. Plan what you're going to cook. Do the mise en place, which is French for having all of your vegetables and all your knives and everything ready to go. So chop all your vegetables first, measure all your ingredients, put things away as you use them. If you open the cinnamon, put the lid on it, put it back in the cabinet or in the drawer, wherever it is you keep if it's nearby. When you use meat, have soapy water nearby to put any dish that it might have been on in that soapy water to soak. When you use tongs on raw meat, wash the tongs before you reach to touch your meat once it's cooked. Don't use duplicate utensils, and clean as you go so that when you're ready to serve your meal, you will say, I'm not cluttered. I'm no longer a cluttered cook. Have a great day.